Did you know that over half of the consumers who are buying online have said that the biggest drawback is actually not being able to try the product? We feel the same way whenever we try a new tool. I'm Issye from Biztory. Let's see how our Engage Lab can help us to overcome this issue. With the Biztory Engage Lab, we focus on 3 core concepts: learn, adapt, and build. This workshop is designed for everyone in your company so that they can help to unravel all the insights of your business with visual analytics. We will give you an early insight so that you can learn, build your confidence, and also give you a clear understanding of how this tool works so you can start to build. We will gather a small group of key users who will take a look into your data, install and download the software, and begin with prototyping. And we will answer all the questions as we go. Only by then, more and more questions will pop up, and you will have a clearer understanding of how this software is actually helping you to answer your expectation only within 3 days. After you've tried the tool, involve people, and gather enthusiasm, only by then you will start to think how to make this tool become successfully implemented within your organization. Don't worry about that. We will help you with our Tableau blueprint. So if you would like to learn more, please do not hesitate to click through the button below. I'm Issye. I like to try my tool before buying them.